Hello, my name is Geneva and I'm a teacher at LingoAce. Today, I want to take you out of the classroom and into my neighborhood. I'm originally from the United States, but I'm living in India, so come see where I live. Here's one of my favorite places by my neighborhood to go see the monkeys. Let's go check them out. Here is another beautiful spot 5 minutes from my house. I like to come here and meditate. Here is where I come to buy all the fruits we could possibly buy. These are my dogs Bear and the little puppy Bambi, and I love to play fetch with them. I hope you enjoyed seeing my neighborhood here in India, and I look forward to seeing you in class very soon, and maybe you can learn something more about where I live. See you soon!